Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo business account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download your transaction history into Excel from your Wells Fargo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your transaction history in Excel format anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your bookkeeper or your accountant is going to ask for your transaction history as an Excel spreadsheet so they can organize your books. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now, before you go any further, I want to let you know that if you're looking for the transaction history to be in Excel format for your Wells Fargo account, at the time of the recording, you can go back up to 18 months. So unfortunately, if it's past 18 months, you have to download the PDF and then manually pull out the transactions. But if you're okay with that, what you're going to do is here on the top white menu, you're going to click on Accounts. Once you do that, you're going to see all of these menu options, but you want to look for this one here, Download Account Activity. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and finish step one, which is choose your Wells Fargo account. Next here on step two, you're going to go ahead and choose the date range. So you can choose a month, you can choose a quarter, that's really up to you. Once you've chosen the date range, down here to get Excel, you're going to click on comma delimited. Okay, now that we've chosen that, this is going to download it as a CSV file. After we get the CSV file, I'm going to show you how to convert that to Excel. So I'm going to go ahead and download. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to see the file in your downloads. So what you're going to do is just click on it and then right click and open with number. Okay, I went ahead and opened up my transaction history. So again, this is a CSV file. So what we're going to do is up on the top left, you're going to click on file. All right, once you click on file, you're going to click on export to. After that, you're going to go ahead and, okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into my downloads. So you can see we now have created a transaction download from my Wells Fargo account that is Excel compatible. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download your transactions in your Wells Fargo account into Excel, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.